Today, we are in Herndon neighborhood of Virginia. I'm with Mike and Katie. As Mosaic Design and Build, we did their designs and building the second floor addition over the existing garage. And they would like to share experiences of the process and how did they find us and so forth. So I want to start with Katie. Katie, how did you find Mosaic Design and Build?
Well, a couple of years ago when we were walking our dog, we came across a build you were doing, a design you were doing, remodel, and we watched the process because we walked by at least 3 times a day. And we were very impressed with how the whole process went and how quickly it was and how clean the work site was. And then the final, looking at how you matched up the brick and everything you did, it was just amazing. And so when we decided to do this edition, we actually knocked on their door and asked who they use, and they highly recommend.
That's great. Thank you so much. Actually, it's really important for us to find our client, Mosaic Design and Build, through the real-time recommendations. So, Mike, I want to ask you, how was the initial design process? So, can you share some experiences about your feelings and your experiences?
Right. So we got bids from 5 different contractors, and Mosaic was the only contractor that actually gave us a 3D rendering of the design, and we were blown away by the design. I can't believe more people don't do it, but your design sold us right there on the spot.
That's great. Thank you so much. I believe I should keep this as a secret of my business too.
May I add on to that? It was your design that really, truly impressed us, but it was the way you presented it to us and the way you broke down every aspect of the project that really, completely sold us. That was very impressive, and no other company did that.
Thank you. I definitely remember our first day in the office and first meeting, my feelings of the excitement of sharing all these designs and doing the presentation. And I'm glad we did this all together. Your collaboration was so important as a client and a homeowner too. So I wanted to ask you about the construction process. So what would you like to say about it to our prospect customers?
Right. So when you're doing an addition like the scale that we did, you have people in your home for 3 months. And I should give Mosaic a plug. Dennis said it was going to take 3 months, and they did it in 3 months. That is super impressive. But for 90 days, you have people in your home every day, and everybody that came in our home was professional, respectful, and the quality work is top-notch.
Thank you so much. How about you, Kate?
I agree on that. I really have to say everyone was professional. The work ethic was over the top. Everyone did what they were supposed to do, and it was just, it almost seemed like we didn't have strangers coming through our home. So it was really very well done.
I really appreciate for sharing your thoughts. It was really important for us to be in here. And actually, we really enjoyed being a part of your family for the last 3 months. And it was also an enjoyment for us too. Again, we really worked hard all together in this. You did a lot to make it happen too. And we did our best. And thank you so much for sharing this with our, prospect clients and with me as well. It's really encouraging for the next steps of our business life. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.